Hello everyone, I'm Aditi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have Siddhi with me and we are going to play Truth or Spice. So basically we have some questions with us and we have to answer those, but if we don't want to answer or we can't answer, then we have to eat this.
The fact that I legit have negligible spice tolerance.
Almost zero.
Negligible.
Yeah, I can tolerate to some extent.
No, she eats chilies, guys. She eats
chilies. I do.
How is this a challenge for her?
I do have good spice tolerance, but this is way too spicy.
Yeah.
It's red. Show it now.
This is not a filter, guys. This is...
Just in case things go out of hand.
We also have brownies. Which she made.
Yes, I did. So let's get started with the video. I'll go first.
Yeah, okay.
What is the last lie you told?
I actually lied about the amount of money that I still have left with me.
I did lie about something and I remember I can't say it here.
I was lucky enough because I was out the whole day. So I actually lied to my family members that I still have left some money with me. Mom, if you're watching this,
I can't answer, I have to eat.
sorry.
Okay. Good. The chili powder, the Maggie has not absorbed it, so it's there on the Maggie.
OMG, I'm not going to eat it. We actually planned this challenge as a
Wait a second, if this is my condition, what's going to happen to you?
I'm gonna cry and that's why I'm laughing. So the first question, who is your favorite dance partner? Me or Akanksha?
You're very mean. I can't answer this question. I can't, I have to eat again. Wait, I'll ask this question next. You have to eat. Should I answer? I can't even gulp it. I have to chew. Who among your family members is the most annoying or irritating? Like you just don't enjoy their company. You just wish that they were not.
No. Annoying.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, so
annoying
siblings,
in that manner.
Yeah, so siblings are in a way annoying. Okay?
Yeah.
See, Riddhi will understand that I don't have to eat it. She'll understand.
Okay, so you don't want Riddhi in your family?
OMG.
Thanks, Riddhi. Okay.
This is not something that I will enjoy.
As if I'm enjoying it. Take a small bite, alright? You can't. Yeah, that's it. She was the one who decided that we should film a Truth or Spice video. That's so weird. Eat it.
How many times were you drunk? Like drunk.
Drunk. Okay, so you have to eat even if you have no answer. As in the answer doesn't exist. Okay.
The answer doesn't exist.
Yes.
I'll tell you what this is. This is actually Maggie dipped in chili powder.
Name someone. You have to name that person. Okay. You have pretended to like, but actually couldn't stand.
You will beep that.
Yeah, I'll beep the name.
Let me just think.
Yeah, sure. Okay. I know who you are.
See, the thing is, I'm so scared to eat that Maggie that I will answer.
You ask. If I get to beep, then I'm gonna answer.
So, if you ever want to have like your Tinder, what will be your Tinder bio? Say.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm eating it again.
My bio would say, I'm here to pretend that I'm at least trying to get a boyfriend. Yeah.
And this is so true to her real personality. If ever you see her interested in someone, think that उसने कुछ कर दिया है काला जादू, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है.
Okay. Have you ever peed while taking a shower? It's okay. Everyone has. So you can answer.
Everyone has a.
Yeah.
I'll not eat it.
Yeah.
I've peed while doing a shower. Taking a shower, doing a shower.
Okay.
I've got a really spicy question. Have you ever fake complimented someone? And if you have, who is that person?
Yeah, I have. A lot of people actually. In college, you have to do it, no? Especially when you're a people pleaser like me, you have to.
You can't be like,
No,
listen,
I
the
can't
thing-
just tell it to their face that I don't like what they've done or.
yeah, tell me the name. I want to know the name.
Okay, what's her name? I don't even remember her name. Wait a second. Her name was like these
From
two
your
people.
college?
Yeah.
Guys, they're from her college.
Whose company do you enjoy more, Astha or Vidhi?
Give me the both.
Dun, dun, dun.
Listen, I don't have an answer to this, right? Because both of them, one of them is my sister and one of them is my best friend, okay? And I can't really answer.
Cow.
You really?
Cow, beta, cow.
I'm gonna pretend.
Jaldi.
I'm gonna pretend that it is not spicy.
Yeah. Let me see how long you can pretend. You jaldi eat, no? You have to go to the mall.
So this question we both will answer. How many types of drinks have we ever tasted? Let's not count the non-alcoholic one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't count because I have tasted.
Yeah, majority of you that.
Yeah, because hotel management student and we have practicals where we have to taste. So I know. I have tasted quite a few things. You answer.
I've just tasted once, which was also not.
It was a mocktail.
It was a mocktail.
Then it doesn't count
Count.
as an alcoholic beer.
But yeah, so I'm still a kid, guys. I'm still a kid. Answer this, please.
Kid.
Don't. Yeah, don't.
So now we've reached the last question, which is
Who made the worst dish? Like from your college, you'll answer.
okay, I can answer this. Oh my god. Even my friends know this answer. It's I hate him.
It is.
What? Like I can't put this. He'll realize that it's him. Because I was so pissed at him that he could literally see it in my face. And I'll change the question for you now.
Oh, okay.
Instead of dish, it's paintings for you.
So there are artists, okay, who are like very aesthetically pleasing,
Okay.
but
When it comes
skillfully not that pleasing.
to Name no.
So there's this one like coffee.
Oh, I know this girl. Oh, Siddhi absolutely hates her. Okay, so I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Hey, you tell good things about my brownie, no?
Yeah, the good thing about this brownie is that I get to eat after eating this. If you ever know this girl, ask her to give you a brownie.
I don't make brownies for any random person. I make it for people who deserve brownies.
No, then you will make for people who subscribed, you know.
Okay, so that's it. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye.